Sorry, I had a late start. Other stuff to do, and kind of prepping for what I gotta do today. eBay stuff and Steam stuff. I'm still trying to set up my Steam page. Hey, what's up, TG? Think I'm gonna work on the Koitsugi game for a little bit because I was trying to work on it yesterday. I had some other ideas for what I was trying to do, and so I just like wrote those down real quick. Then, but yeah, Monday, and I think I'm gonna try to take more breaks because I'm not, I think Monday's stream kind of like wiped me out. I think Monday was like my longest stream I've done, and I didn't take any breaks. So I'm gonna try to take breaks so I kind of increase like the ad times, but there's gonna be few. It's gonna happen less often, right? I think I have like 3-minute ads every hour, and so I'm just gonna take like a 5-minute break every hour. But I'll be streaming for like an hour, and then I gotta jump onto this other call. I know I wanted to jump on earlier, but I had to do some other stuff. I gotta ship some eBay stuff and some other like streaming stuff I was trying to do and set up. So I might like mess around with that stuff later. But gonna try to finish up my thought here. So yeah, the scriptable objects and the mono behaviors I think weren't what I kind of wanted. I didn't again, like all that's like how to like manipulate the editor to kind of do what I want. I think there's different ways to do it. And so I think I've done this before where I had like exposed classes, and I'm thinking that might be what I want to do, but I didn't get to finish it the other day. So I created like new scripts, which, these were the data objects or the scriptable objects. I didn't like that either. So I'll probably end up like cleaning this up some more, renaming these files at least. I know I've had issues in the past where I like rename files and like Unity like messes up the references, so I'm a little bit worried about that. But okay, so I'm gonna have this like state class now instead, that the state controller will have. So state. Yeah, I hear you, and like, it is. I'm like, oh, you know what? I think this is gonna work this way, and like a lot of the editor stuff I don't really know either, so that doesn't help. But that'll learn and grow. Because yeah, like the mono behaviors, I didn't like it being attached, like having to create. I don't know, that's what we've done before, but having to create like a game object just to host a state and a behavior, I didn't really like. So we'll see if this works. If not, like I think that's gonna be the fallback plan. But I'm gonna work on this for a little bit, and I'm gonna go back to the other project later. So yeah, that gets states. Then this one, I don't want this to be. And then I don't think this is needed. I don't remember why I put this here, but I don't think I'm gonna use this. I think this will also be a Unity action because it should just hook into this complete function that goes back to the state. Because yeah, I was like, so I created this like custom class, the sequence class, and this is kind of like more what I want it to look like. I don't know if you've seen this. Oh, where'd that go? Unity, where'd you go? Nice. What's up, Blind Cat? It said no school today. Let me try to keep track of this, the ads. Make sure you guys don't get hit with ads. But yeah, here's like the bash quake, and this is like this sequence class that I made. So I just want to be able to do this and say like, oh, here's your state controller, here are your states, and then you just drag your behaviors in there. To me, that's a little bit more user-friendly, but let's see if this works. Then you grab a state. Oh, is this not the... Oopsie. Oh, nice. I gotta get my MacBook. My MacBook broke in there. I tried to, like, the keyboard was going bad, and then I tried to like clean the keys, and I opened it up trying to clean it, and now it won't turn on. And I'm like, shit. I need to trade it in for like a newer MacBook. Or maybe I'll just turn my PC into a dual OS. What am I doing? Says, why is it still looking for a state interface? Is there an error here? Yes, it is. Just forgot something. Oh. I was gonna say, I'm like, why is it doing that? So I don't know if I'm gonna like leave stream because I gotta go to this webinar for like employment stuff. think I'll have to, because I don't want to leave everyone sitting for an hour, or even if for like 45 minutes. Made the screen shake, break a box. It doesn't matter if I hit the block correctly or not. Okay. Yeah, we'll have to go over it sometime, Blind Cat, and see what's going on. I'm not sure how that impulse thing works. If it's like trigger based or collision based, maybe it doesn't matter. I don't know. We'll look over that, because yeah, for this one, I just have it connected to the script. So when this is triggered, it sets the amplifier gain for the camera. Okay. Okay, cool. So this is what I kind of like was looking for here. You get this behavior, you get your state, and so there's just like a number of states that you'll see. Maybe I'll look into like renaming this stuff. Like that's one other thing too. How do we change that name? And then it looks like you get this behavior object, but doesn't look like I can just drag and drop stuff in there. I might have to go check on these kids. I don't think this has to be. Keep losing my place. I think this can just be public. Oops. Well, my Steam page is almost ready. It's taken long enough, but I think I just got to do some identity and verification, and then my Steam page will be live. I haven't even thought about like what I'm going to put on there. I don't think there's going to be anything yet. What am I doing? Okay. Guess those two have to be serialized fields. I didn't think they had to be, but I don't think that one has to be. That one's gonna work like the I got a Steam page for nothing? Absolutely, yes. Uh, no, I'm gonna, I'll probably make a, well, like, first is, like, I'm gonna be making all the apps, right? Trying to get revenue going through, the App Store, like Apple and Google, the Play Store, and, which I'm gonna work on later today. Probably like when I'm working on that, when I'm in that webinar. And then the goal would be that, okay, like let's go make some games, maybe RPG Maker games, and put them on Steam, or maybe a game that I think's like, I don't really know. I think I do have a couple ideas for like RPG Maker games, and I want to make some stuff in RPG Maker Unite. So I think that might be my first game I published to Steam, but I don't know. I haven't really thought about it yet, but yeah, basically yes, I got it for nothing. I mean, just gotta have it, right? Just gotta have it. Okay, cool. So here it is. This is the behavior. So I don't know why I didn't do this before. So then I get this behavior. Let me see. So I think this is where, like, okay, I gotta get like prefabs of some stuff. Where did I put this behavior? So I have this like fish navigation behavior here, right? So this is my behavior. And so then I'm gonna have to see what's going on. My baby's crying. What am I doing? Create empty. Can I not just make an empty object? Gotta learn some of these shortcuts. That's gonna be fish navigation. Then that's gonna have this one. Oh, okay. Wait. So can I just drag this in there? Click. And go like this. So I just want to get this fish behavior. So maybe that one. Maybe the fish navigation will be a mono behavior. Then I'm gonna start thinking about all the Roblox stuff. I might start making Roblox tutorials. Who knows? Probably not. I'll probably hold off on that stuff until I get a few apps out. Did I put the wrong behavior? I think I did. Maybe that's why. This is. Oh, okay. Let me try to fix that. So, oh, what the heck? So let's go with behavior. I didn't even see it. I think I did that when I was undoing some stuff. So this one. I don't want to call it a state behavior though. Looks like there's already something called behavior. Well, this will be part of the namespace. That's just gonna be okay. Are you using the right behavior? Yes. And then where'd my fish navigation? Here it is. Okay, so you might not be using the right navigation. Oh, you are. There you go. Okay. Well, you got what, one more year to teach, right? Oh yeah, god dang it. Okay, so that is not being exposed like I want. Yeah, gotta keep the lights on somehow. Not making millions yet on YouTube or Twitch. So this one becomes a behavior. Well, I need it to be a mono behavior anyways because I'm trying to use the update function here. Okay. So now I can have to leave a Kindergoth game this weekend. Driving down Sunday morning, nice. Good luck. Good luck. So now you've got the fish navigation. Then I go here and say, here you go, pop. Next change. Think of that. Oh, that's the float range. movement. Movement uses the interface. Oh, but that's just that. Movement data. Oh, no, we don't care about that. Update input. What do we need from movement? Fish navigation. What do we want? Movement. Okay, that is the right one. But that's not going to interfere with... because this one is just a... this one subclasses from the component. Right, okay. We want fish navigation. Probably make another like movement dependent behavior, because not all behaviors will be like dependent on movement, but anything that wants to communicate to that should grab it. See, that's it. Can I not get moving like that? What is movement? What do you mean? It's not a behavior. Oh, because I got this little movement now. I keep doing that because that's part of the movement namespace. Okay. Movement, cool beans. Okay. Well, let me just go and double check everything. I think I don't remember if I finished migrating everything over. If I can just I'm pretty sure I didn't. But let's I'll think. So now we have this date controller with our fish navigation and that fish navigation's here, which I'm just gonna make a prefab. I'm gonna put that here. And this prefab is gonna be oh, I realized the range is messed up. So I should be able to give it a range, and I'm not sure why that's not showing up. Of how often it should change. Where did that go? Pretty sure this worked before. Okay, let's try that. Oh, great. I know. I don't know where all my music goes. I keep getting flagged on YouTube, so I'm trying to find music. I think any lo-fi music works. I'm also trying not to.
If you want to scale your digital coaching business
Get
to
my
a
YouTube
high
banned.
level in 2025, you need to take a strategic, deliberate, and methodical approach to attracting your ideal leads.
Yeah. I don't care about Twitch. I don't think I'll make enough money on Twitch, but once I get monetized on YouTube, I'm pretty sure it'll start start booming there. Alright, there we go. Ad's gonna come in like. Actually, I'm gonna hold off because I'm gonna use this ads. Yeah, when I used to do RPG Maker streaming, I have like 100 different like music that I would just like play through, and I would like list the music title. Okay, let me try to figure this out. Why my float range is not coming up. Pretty sure I have this elsewhere. Maybe not. Maybe. Yeah, it's right here in the speed. Now I'm gonna get rid of this. I think I already did get rid of it. I'm pretty sure that freaking worked before, so god dang it. Maybe it didn't. Maybe I just forced it. Alright, well, let me... I'll force it for right now, just because to get my thoughts across. And then I'll come back and try to get that working. So all this means is that it'll take a new direction every 1 to 5 seconds. This kind of gets that erratic movement again. So and then behavior on start. I don't need that. In my state controller. Let's news ads one last time. Because I'm gonna jump off. I got that webinar in like 20 minutes, so ads will hit in like 10 minutes and then I'll jump off and I'll come back after that webinar. This webinar is going to be about branding myself, so I might make a video on my YouTube channel about it. I think it's interesting. I don't know if you guys have done that before, like gone through, since I was a contractor and I've done consulting before. You know, you build like your profile, talk about like soft skills, hard skills, branding, branding yourself and all that stuff. And it's really interesting when I first got into contracting and consulting. So especially with AI coming out, and all these HR departments using AI to sift through resumes and shit, AI is just fucking shit up. Like I think it's just being like rushed into all these businesses. There's, um, I don't think everyone's taking the right approach with it. It's really got to get analyzed more, but it's just getting rushed into everything. I think I just saw a report saying that Salesforce, right, is using AI. You guys know what Salesforce is. It's like a customer-based selling system. I don't know if they do like point of sales specifically, but they're like using AI, and I know other companies are using AI to like recruit people. And I know, typically people are trying to sift through that stuff, and AI is just making things faster, but people gotta like learn to work the system, knowing that AI is doing it. So just gonna be able to like throw in a bunch of buzzwords, right? That's how you get your resume seen. What else? This is the state. Wait. Okay. So this isn't what So yeah, so we're doing like update movement, but I think I was going to change this to actually run through the state machine and hit like a complete state. So instead of update movement, this will just say like complete, and then the state machine will trigger it again. But I'll come back to that. And now let's I gotta update the fish behavior. Gotta make a system for all the health and stuff. Yeah, this fish movement. Okay, right now I think this one's still working on the time elapsed functions. And the first behavior is it's not attacking. To update movement. And we were doing the Wanderer, right? Wanderer. Yeah, Wanderer. Okay. So that doesn't do anything right now. Obviously, we're doing this go to patrol, which changes the state. Now we just need to go to that state. Sorry, I'm trying to think through this. See if I can migrate it or if I just like cut off this whole timer. Because technically right now the boss still works, right? And the enemies do not. Oh, ad starting, and okay. Oh, yep, I think I have to. Welcome back. Just streaming for like 10 more minutes, everybody, and then I had a drop for the webinar. Up and then... State is 0. You gotta start that state. This one should be the behavior. I'm not gonna raid anybody. I'm just gonna drop off right now. I'll come back in an hour or so. see if I can. Hopefully, I do jump back on. Who knows? I always like once I stop streaming, it's hard to jump back in. So today's kind of was an off day. Thanks everyone for jumping in, and I'll catch you later.